Yan, belum bata. I'm very pleased to be here in Nayarambale village today to commission two major milestones for your village's development, this new Nayarambale ecological purification system and the solar home systems project. Being with you all today is a true joy for me, because any opportunity that I have to meet with ordinary Fijians in their communities serves as a reminder of why my government is so committed to uplifting our people. The water purification project, ladies and gentlemen, would not have been possible through technical assistance provided by the Japan Technical International Cooperation Agency, JICA. This project involves a comprehensive partnership between Fiji's Ministry of Works and the Japan International Cooperation Agency. I therefore would like to take this time to convey my sincere appreciation and gratitude towards the government of Japan for their continued assistance in improving the livelihoods of all Fijians. The opening and commissioning of the water purification project here today is an important occasion as it recognizes and supports United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, which is to ensure availability and sustainability management of water and sanitation for all. In the same way, it is also an indication of government's commitment, as outlined in Section 36 of the Constitution, and I quote, the state must take reasonable measures within its available resources to achieve progressive realization of the right of every person to clean and safe water in adequate quantities, unquote. The main objective of this project, I'm told, is to simply facilitate the cleansing or purification of water using natural methods. Conventional systems which are present mostly in urban areas rely on the use of chemicals and more expensive technologies to purify water. However, for this project, water is purified using algae and microbial activity, and this is one of the cheapest methods of purifying water. Thus, ladies and gentlemen, government's aim focuses not only on the provision of safe and clean water, but also on the use of cheaper, cost-effective and environmental-friendly methods of purifying water, especially for our rural population. Work on the ecological purification system commenced on the 16th of November and was completed on the 16th of December 2015 with a team of 8 workmen from the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport. The total cost of this project is $38,000, and successful completion will benefit the total population of 182 villages. Furthermore, the people of Nayarambale will now have access to clean and safe water and will no longer be subjected to water-borne diseases. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also gathered here today to witness the opening of the solar home system. Villagers and especially children will now have access to good lighting conditions. Not only that, they will also have the opportunity to have access to one of the most cleanest and renewable sources of energy. Thus, ladies and gentlemen, is another commitment by government to ensure safe and affordable access to electricity and also improve the livelihoods of all Fijians. The Solar Home Systems project will benefit a total of 31 households in the village, and I'm proud to say that government had provided a total funding of $124,000 to fund this project. At this juncture, I am happy to say that the opening of the Nayarambale EPS and Solar Home Systems project marks yet another step by the Fijian government to bring development closer to all Fijians, to enhance further development in rural areas, and to see the full utilization of our natural resources as a means to create wealth and work towards eradicating poverty. And I believe na malini bosa sama indola bosa chukino. Na nondo to libu na sola but kena wande to kisa ko no wai. And itu sa tuman sa chuno kena bosa sa bate chuno wini nguno. And of course I'm going to Nayarambale. Binasa boliu. nalo na pepuno wengo na yaran bale. O to na ko tamen na biba kalungat ke vira ke darang unu kina. Namni turang tal-tal. Tare. Dumbula. Dumbula menaka. Bula. Tare. Uno kyo. Awang kacungan na din na bale. O na ko tamen na biba kalungat taki. Nakinawa ka vira. Pamimbi vira na ngone. Ondwa. Okay. Na ondwa.
Inawal 5% eh.